Hello and welcome back. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: why the ocean isn't always the same shade of blue. Have you ever noticed how the ocean can range from deep navy to bright turquoise, or even shades of green or brown? This change in color is not just mesmerizing to look at. It also tells us a lot about the ocean's environment and what's happening beneath the surface. Let's explore the reasons behind these ever-shifting hues. 1. Sunlight and ocean depth. One of the biggest factors affecting ocean color is sunlight. When sunlight hits the ocean, it's absorbed and scattered by the water. Water naturally absorbs colors on the red end of the light spectrum, leaving blues and greens to reflect back, which is why we often see the ocean as blue. But depth plays a role here. In deeper areas, less light can penetrate, so these parts of the ocean look darker. Shallow waters, on the other hand, reflect more light and often appear as lighter shades of blue, or even turquoise. 2. Presence of phytoplankton. Ever noticed parts of the ocean that appear greenish? This can often be due to phytoplankton, tiny plant-like organisms that live in the water. Phytoplankton contain chlorophyll, which they use to absorb sunlight and produce energy. Because chlorophyll absorbs blue and red light, areas rich in phytoplankton reflect more green light, giving these waters a greenish tint. Phytoplankton blooms can even turn large ocean areas vibrant green, which is not only beautiful but also an important part of the marine ecosystem, as these blooms support a wide variety of ocean life. 3. Sediments and organic matter. In some areas, especially close to shore, ocean colors can take on shades of brown, yellow, or green due to sediments and organic matter. Rivers and streams carry particles of sand, silt, and clay from land into the ocean. These particles scatter light differently, and the water may take on a murky, brownish color. After storms or heavy rainfall, sediment levels are even higher, causing more noticeable changes in color. This also happens in coastal areas, where wave action stirs up sediment from the ocean floor. 4. Temperature and algal blooms. Algal blooms are another factor that can shift ocean colors. When ocean temperatures rise and nutrients are plentiful, algae can grow rapidly, creating blooms that range in color from green to red, depending on the type of algae. While some algal blooms are harmless, certain types produce toxins and can be dangerous for marine life and humans. These are sometimes called red tides, because they can give the water a reddish-brown appearance. 5. Reflection of the sky. Finally, let's talk about the sky. The color we perceive in the ocean is also influenced by the color of the sky and the weather. A clear blue sky often makes the ocean appear more vividly blue, while overcast skies can make it look gray or even greenish. This reflection adds a layer of complexity to the ocean's colors, and is why on some days the sea might look completely different than it did the day before. Final thoughts. The changing colors of the ocean are like nature's own signals, offering us clues about everything from weather and climate to marine life health. Next time you see the ocean shifting from one shade to another, you'll know that there's a lot happening beneath that surface. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this journey into the science of the sea.